So this is actually complete real-time software development lifecycle. So completely like planning will be there, coding, building, testing, deployment, monitoring, and feedback. So continuous, they'll check feedbacks they require in real time. If they require some more modification, some more different kind of thing, again developer they're going to planning, they're going to develop the code, they're going to build the code, test the code, and they'll deploy the code, and again they'll maintain and monitor it. This is completely software development lifecycle. So you know one thing, if you learn software development lifecycle, like how pipeline is working, if you learn this concept completely, or if you get complete overview about it, in future related to this pipeline, any kind of tool it is coming in market, so easily you can grab that knowledge, you can work on it. So ultimately, you have to get a foundation about complete DevOps lifecycle, DevOps and CICD pipeline overview. Completely, you have to get foundation about it. What is what? So in our classes, from beginning to end, whatever required, everything I'll explain you with simple examples. If needed, I'll try to explain with the stories also. No problem. Ultimately, you have to understand the concept. Okay, I hope you understood.